Wanting to use Google Analytics to track your email list signups and conversions to see what's driving your success or holding you back, but you're not quite sure where to begin? Well, in this step-by-step video, we're going to show you the basics so you can get started. Now, be sure to check out the links that we've left in the description and hit the subscribe button and notification bell to become part of the conversation. Believe it or not, you don't have to be a technology guru to interpret your website's data. In fact, thanks to some free and premium analytics tools like Monster Insights and Opt-in Monster, you can set up your Google Analytics account quickly and easily. So let's just jump right in. The first place you need to start is with a Google Analytics account. Now, if you already have an Analytics account, just skip this part and go to the next section. Otherwise, just follow these simple steps and you'll get up and running with Google Analytics in no time. The first thing you'll need to do is go to Google Analytics website. And if you already have a Gmail, YouTube, or Google Drive account, you can just click the Sign into Analytics link or the Start for Free button in the top right corner of the page. Now, if you don't have a Google account, we'll leave a link in the description that'll give you the details on how you can get started. Now you'll need to enter the details for the site that you're wanting to track. Next, create property name. And then you'll just need to choose the country and time zone. Next, you'll need to choose the currency that you'll be using. And now you'll need to click Show Advanced Options. Then you'll need to enable the Create a Universal Analytics property by moving the slider to the right. Next, you'll need to select the correct protocol that matches your website. So choose either HTTP or HTTPS. And then type in your website's URL. Now click on Create a Universal Analytics Property Only. Then click on Next. Now fill in your business information by selecting your industry from the drop-down. Then indicate the size of your business. Now check all the boxes that apply. And when you're done, just click Create. Now on the next page, you'll need to review and place a check in both of the boxes and then click the I accept button. Now inside your new Google Analytics account, you'll need to find your tracking ID and analytics code. Now there are several different methods to setting up your website with Google Analytics. Now some of these use these codes. If you don't have a WordPress site, then you can copy and paste the website tracking code into every web page that you're wanting to track. Now if you're unsure about how to do this, you may want to have your web developer do this step for you. You can use Google Analytics with WordPress as well. Now, there are a few ways that you can add it to your site, but the easiest way is to install the Monster Insights plugin and have it activated. Now, if you don't already have a Monster Insights account, you can quickly create one by just going to monsterinsights.com and then choosing the plan that best suits your needs. Then once you've created your account and purchased a Monster Insights license, you'll just need to download the plugin. If you're not already logged in, just head over to monsterinsights.com and log into your Monster Insights account by clicking the login link at the top of the page. Then fill in your login details. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Monster Insights Download tab. Now, once you're there, just click the download link on the right side of the page. All right, now that you've downloaded the file, you can just head back to your WordPress site and log in. Now, once you're on your dashboard, you'll just need to navigate to Plugins and then click Add New. Now, you'll need to click the Upload Plugin button at the top of the page. Then click the Choose File button to select the zip file that you've just downloaded from Monster Insights. And then you need to click the Install button to upload the file and install the plugin on your site. Now, as a side note, if you've previously installed Monster Insights Lite, you'll need to click the Deactivate the Lite plugin button. And then on the plugin screen, just click the Activate link right under the Monster Insights Pro plugin. Okay, next you'll need to click the Launch the Wizard button, and then choose the option that best describes your site and click Save and Continue. Now you'll need to enter your license key. You can find your license key on your My Account page at monsterinsights.com or in the confirmation email that you received from Monster Insights. Once the authenticating process is completed, just click the Connect Monster Insights button. Now on the next screen, you'll need to choose the Google Analytics account that you'd like to associate with your site. Once the screen loads, click Allow to give Monster Insights access to your Google Analytics account. All right, now if you have more than one website that's associated with your Google account, you'll just need to select the site that you're wanting to track with the Monster Insights plugin and click the Complete Connection button. Now, once the connection is finalized, you'll just need to review some of the simple Monster Insights settings and click the Save and Continue button. Now, on the next page, you'll see a list of Pro License recommended add-ons that you can quickly review and then click the Save and Continue button. Now, on the next page, just click the Skip link at the bottom of the page. Now, once Monster Insights finishes checking your site, simply click the Finish Setup and Exit Wizard button. Now that you've successfully installed Google Analytics on your site, you'll just need to familiarize yourself with conversion goals, because list building is crucial to the success of your business. So we're going to focus on tracking email list signups. Don't worry, it's actually pretty simple once you know how to do it. So let's just take a look. Once you've signed into your Google Analytics account, you'll need to click on Admin at the bottom left corner. Then you'll need to select the Admin tab at the top of the page. Now you'll see a page with 3 columns: Account, Property, and View. So under the View column, click on Goals. Now once you're on the Goals page, click the red New Goal button. Then under Goals Setup, select the Custom Radio button and click Continue. Now you'll be prompted to create a name for your goal, so we'll use Thank You Page, and then we'll choose Destination as the type. Then we'll hit the Continue button. Now you'll need to enter the URL for your Thank You page. And this is a page that a new subscriber will see after they've opted in. So just type your Thank You page URL in the Destination field. Optionally, you can use a toggle value to enter the monetary value to the conversion. Now, you can use that value option if you know about how much each email lead is worth to you. So, for example, if you know that the average lifetime value of a customer is $1,000 and your average customer acquisition rate is 1%, then each lead would be worth $10. The funnel option is usually more useful if you're tracking a conversion that happens further down the funnel, such as a sale. So we're going to skip that for now. Now you just need to click Save. As soon as a goal is created, Google Analytics will begin recording data. So all you have to do is wait for Google to begin sending you data. By the way, you can also pause a goal by changing the recording status to off if you like. All right, because you've only started tracking your site, there won't be any data to show yet. But once visitors begin to visit your Thank You page, you can view your data by going to the left sidebar and clicking on Acquisition and then clicking on Overview. And then you'll need to select your new goal under the Conversion drop-down menu. Now that's going to allow you to see your top channels providing your top sources of traffic. And you'll see a graph of your sessions, which is how many times someone has visited your site. Each session can include multiple page views. In the third column on the right, you'll see your conversion rate, allowing you to see which channels are giving you the highest conversion rates. Now, if you've specified a monetary value for your leads, you'll be able to see that number as well. You can also change the dates in the upper right corner to view the specific period of time that you're interested in. Now, the only downside to conversion goals is that if you have multiple marketing campaigns, you'll have to create a separate conversion goal to track each one, and each campaign will have to have its own separate Thank You page. Otherwise, you'll just get a combined total, and you won't be able to really tell which pages are doing the best or the worst. However, if you have Opt-in Monster, there's a much easier way to use Google Analytics to track conversion rates on each of your individual marketing campaigns. You don't have to create a conversion goal inside Google Analytics, and you don't even have to use a Thank You page if you don't want to. To begin using Opt-in Monster and Google Analytics together, all you need to do is edit an existing campaign and go to the Analytics tab and click Connect. Then you'll need to choose your account and give Opt-in Monster access. Next, you'll need to copy the authentication code. Then go back to your Opt-in Monster account and paste it in. Now you'll need to create the account label and then click the Next button. And in the drop-down, you can select the corresponding website profile for that Google Analytics account. Now all that's left to do is save, and you've successfully connected your Google Analytics account. As a reminder, by default, you can view total impressions and conversions, as well as the top converting pages with our built-in analytics. Connecting to Google Analytics is totally optional. So give this a try and let us know how it works out for you. If you want to learn more Opt-in Monster tips, tricks, and techniques, be sure to click on the videos that are on the screen now and hit the links that we've left for you in the description.